So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 risers, okay, and the stairs go from the ground right here to the porch. Okay, so I'll just go, once again, I go divide, right here is divide, you can take divide as well. It says pick the object, I'll select this line, I'll type 5 and hit enter. Okay, now I have nodes there, okay, so now I can just, as long as the node snap is on, I can select this one, there's my first riser, and there's my second riser, third riser, and fourth riser. And there's your stairs, okay, so I can trim it. You know, this is in fact concrete poured stairs, so I draw a line there, a few other things, that's why I got the stairs. Okay, and then there's a main stairs going from the second floor to the first floor, that's a long one. So that one starts right here. That's the first riser on the first floor. And on the second floor, see right there. And that stairwell goes all the way down there. Okay, so that's the top riser of the second floor. Okay, and I'll throw a few more treads in. It's an offset T. I'll just put the first few in. Okay, so there's one, there's two, okay, so that's all I need. Okay, if you count these, it's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, oh, 17, sorry. There's 17 risers there. Okay, that's not a mistake. So okay, I'll just trim these, move this up, I'll go trim. So now this line goes the exact length, right? From the top of the first floor to the top of the second floor. I'll go divide, just select the object, I'll select this object. How many? 17 risers. And now I have the nodes there, so there's my first one, there's my second one, there's my third one. Okay, so there's, now let's go trim a bit. Okay, so there's a typical riser and trim. I'll go copy. I'll grab this bunch here, and I'll move this to here, and then to here, and then here, here, and it came up right on the money. Okay, so there. So again, making the stairs not terribly difficult. Just get a few treads and risers and just keep dropping them. Okay, over here, this one's sort of easy because it's just 2 risers, so it's just half the distance. So just the height of the tread. And oh, here it is. Okay, so I'll just pick that one. Oops, I missed it. Okay, so there's, there it is. Foot. Okay, so there's like a wall behind it. And then going down to the family room again, there's a bunch of stairs there. So here are these stairs going from the kitchen down to the family room. So, okay, so that's the first riser. And then I'll just go offset T again, offset T. Second riser. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 risers. So trim it so I have the right height. Okay, so there's, this line is exactly the distance from the kitchen to the family room. So I'm just going to divide, divide, and
where the nodes tool is again?
Say it again?
Like where you divide the line? Can you show where that is one more time?
Yeah, so again, you just have to get a line, say I wanna find this one, okay? Okay, you have to have the line going from the top of the floor to the top of the floor. Okay, so get right here, it says divide, however, divide. Then it says, just read the instructions, it says pick the line.
Yeah.
Pick the line, then it says how many, I'll take 17. And then if you look over here, you can see that